In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote Boost Gig on Fiverr. We'll walk through the built-in sharing tools inside Fiverr, so you can quickly spread your gig across social platforms or send the link directly to interested buyers. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type Fiverr in the search bar and click the official Fiverr website. If you're not already signed in, log into your seller account so you can access your dashboard. From the top navigation, look for the My Business section. This is where Fiverr groups the tools you use to manage your services. Click My Business, then choose Gigs. You'll land on the page that lists all your active, paused, or draft gigs. It's a good habit to confirm the gig you plan to promote is active and has a clear thumbnail, a strong title, and an up-to-date description, because the preview others see will pull from that content. Find the gig you want to promote and select its checkbox. Choosing one at a time keeps your sharing focused and makes performance easier to track. Next, click the small drop-down icon associated with that selected gig. In the menu that appears, choose Share. Fiverr will open a panel with social sharing options so you can instantly post your gig to popular platforms. From here, you can share your gig on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or WhatsApp. When the share window opens, add a short, benefit-focused message. Lead with what you deliver, who it's for, and the outcome buyers can expect. Include a clear call to action, like check availability and pricing, and consider adding a relevant portfolio image if the platform allows it. On LinkedIn, keep the tone professional and add a couple of industry-specific hashtags. On Twitter, be concise and use one or two targeted hashtags. On Facebook, pair your link with a brief explanation of your process or a highlight from a recent project. On WhatsApp, keep it personal and context-aware if you're sharing with contacts or groups. You also have the option to copy the gig link. Use this when you want to share in places outside the built-in buttons, like email newsletters, community forums, your social bios, or direct messages. When sending the link, give a bit of context so recipients know what the gig offers and who it helps. Share consistently, but avoid spamming. Aim for quality posts and genuine engagement. That's the full flow. Google to Fiverr. My Business to Gigs. Select your gig, open the drop-down, hit share, and post or copy the link. Follow these steps and you'll make your gig easier to find and faster to book.